The AVR instruction set. The instruction set of the processor or controller is like the vocabulary of the processor. Each instruction controls some part of the processor and allows the program to manipulate data and the memory as well as input and output devices. The instruction of the processor can be categorized in the many different ways based on the how instruction access data and operate upon it. This is called the program and data addressing modes of the processor. Then the program and data addressing modes. The various AVR instruction can be categorized in about the 10 different addressing modes. Each instruction has opcode that indicates to the control logic processor what to do, and the other parts of the instruction is operand which the opcode operates. Then the first one is the single register direct register data instruction. Direct register data instruction can operate of the any 32 register of the register file. If the reads the contents of the register, operates of the contents of the register, and the store of the result of the operation back to the same register. In figure, the source and destination for these types of the instruction. The format of the instruction mnemonic destination register. Then next one is the register direct to register. In this type of the register instruction, the two register are involved. The two register are named as the source register RS and the destination register RD. The instruction reads the two registers are operates on their contents and the store the result back in the destination register. It shows the figure the source and destination for these two types of the instruction. Sorry. Then next one is the input output direct. These instructions are used to access the input output space. The input output register can be accessed using this instruction. In RD, port DD RESS out for the port DD RESS RS. In RD, RS can be any of the 32 register from the register file, and the input output register can be register from the entire range of the 00 to the 3F as shown in the figure. Then next one is the data direct. In the data direct, these are the two work instruction, one of the word of the address and memory space. So maximum 64 data memory can be accessed using this the type of the instruction. In this instruction, data indirect, these are the similar to the data direct type of the instruction, except that this is the instruction are the one word each of the pointer register x, y or z is used that has the base of the address and the data memory to the base of the address pointer register. An offset can be added as well as the sum, increment and decrement operation on the pointer contents. For example, LDRDXX is the pointer register and the LDRDX plus RD is the destination register is loaded with the content of the data memory pointed by to the X register, and the after memory accessed. The X register increment STX RS, STX plus RS, ST minus Y comma RS and so on. The next one is the indirect program addressing. In these types of the instruction, the Z register is used to point to the program memory. Up to 64 bytes of the program memory can be accessed with the 16-bit Z register. Then next, relative program addressing. These instructions are the type of the RJMP and RCall. When the offset of the plus or minus 2k to the program counter is used as shown in the figure. In this figure, as shown, the RJMP and the RCall register when the offset program counter. Then next one is the arithmetic and the logical instruction. First one is the add RD and RS. Add without carry RD, that means RD plus RS. Flag affected Z, C, N, V, S, H. Clocks is the 1. Then next one is the second ADC RD RS. Add with carry RD and the RD RS plus add ह्याच्यामध्ये carry and clock is the 1. Then next one is the add immediate constant RD plus 1. RD plus 1 is equal to RD plus 1 as to RD plus K. K is the constant and it uses the clocks 2. Then next one is the instruction sub RD. Subtract without carry, that is equal to RD minus RS and clocks is used to the 1. Then next one is the SUBI, that means the subtract immediate without carry, that is equal to RD is equal to RD minus K. K for the constant and clock is the 1. Then next one SBCI RD comma K. Subtract immediate with the carry, that is equal to RD minus K minus C and that equal to that use the clock for the 1. Then next one is the SBC RD RS. Subtract with carry RD, that is equal to RD minus RS minus C and that clock equal to 1. Then next one is the SBIW RD. Subtract immediate constant from the RD plus 1. RD plus 1 is equal to RD plus 1 as to RD minus K and equal to clocks for the 2. Then next one is the AND RD. Logical AND RD and RS. Clock equal to 1. Then next one is the logical AND RDX and the K. That is the RDX between the R16 and R31. K is the 8-bit constant. Then next one is the logical OR RD with the RS. That is equal to RD is equal to RD divided by RS. Logical OR RD with the K. That is equal to RD divided by K. RDX between the R16 to the R31. K is the 8-bit constant. Then many instruction for the arithmetic and logical instruction for the AVR microcontroller. Then 27 instruction is the clear RD, that means the clear register destination, and the 28 instruction is the SCRD, that is the set register destination.